Gaeilge Fasti, aniu táimid exanú an Gaeilge J Jan Cursius in the character. So táimid or béimid taring and person shot or some character shot Fosta still the coupler. So we're drawing each of the characters into our copy and then we're labeling each of the pieces of 80 the clothes that there is. So we have our vocab, our focal store, a bun and lehantocht. So we have carawat, which is tie, shodra, jewellery, lavany, gloves, hata, hat, fania clusa, earrings, spakely, glasses, guna, dress, broga, shoes, scarf. So this is spelt wrong in the book. It should be S-C-A-I-R-F, scarf, which is a scarf, and a shackage, which is your jacket. And then we have our adjectives then to describe each of the clothes. We have ard, high, or top, gallanta, beautiful, jarog, red, ildacha, colourful, multicoloured, fada, long, gal, bright, allwar, huge, massive, ban, white, orga, golden, agus fashionta, fashionable. So, feck an céad duine an fear, is mar hampla, cad é seo, so seo hata, agus seo hata ard, so it's a top hat, a high hat. And then ever a dó, an rud sin, cad é seo, agus what adjective would be used then to describe what this is. Ever a 3, an rud sin an carawat, so cén da a tire an carawat, so it's a carawat. Agus ever a cahar, an rud seo, cad é sin, agus cén da a tire an rud sin. So what is this? And what colour is on it? And then character of Radha, Amra. So every hen, Amrodshin, so Karishin. And then what adjective would be using to describe this? So it's a colourful scarf, so Cain Focalation. Ever a da. Cad é seo, agus cén tainneam atá ar an éada seo. Ever a 3, and so cad é seo, an rud sin, or what word then we use to describe it, or, you know, Jan Cursius ar an hat seo. Ever a cahar, no ruddy seo, the earrings, agus cén sort fania clusa iad. Agus ever a cuig, an rud seo, sin na shodra, agus cén ceiniol shodra atá sí. Shodra ard, gallanta, jarog, ildacha, fada, gal, allwar, ban, orga, or fashionta.